Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I just felt like I would do an eye tutorial kind of inspired by Halloween. For those of you who don't want to dress up for Halloween or don't want to do anything too dramatic. Well, this is still dramatic, but I guess nothing like drawing on your face or anything like that. You just want to wear a bold makeup look. I think this would be perfect. So today I decided to do this. So it's pretty much a cut crease with a neon eyeliner, which is actually called a hydroliner, and these are by Suva Beauty. I have quite a few of these and I love them. They are water activated. You can honestly do this also with an eyeshadow and a very thin angled brush as well. And if you have a mixing medium, even better, because it'll be a lot more bold if you mix the shadow with a mixing medium. I wanted to do something for those of you who don't like to dress up for Halloween, because I know a lot of people don't, and just want to wear a bold eye look. And yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoy this, and if you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what videos you are interested in me filming. So yeah, I'm going to now stop talking and we will get right into this Halloween inspired eye tutorial with a cut crease and bold neon eyeliner. Alright, so I'm going to start off with an orangey shade. Okay, so I added some tape just because I feel like today I want more of a sharp edge, outer edge. Alright, so to make this a lot easier for everyone, I'm going to be using a Morphe eyeshadow palette, which is the 35B, the 35B, but I know that they discontinued it, and I think they pretty much repackaged it or something like that. So if you go on the website on morphe.com or morphebrushes.com, you will find it there in a list with another number, I'm pretty sure. I will try to find it and list it down for you guys. But also another alternative would be the James Charles palette, which is very colorful, because I know sometimes it's hard when you don't have the exact same palettes. Just taking a basic orange shade, and I'm going to apply it all throughout my crease, and I already added a base to my eyes, to my eyelids, up to the brow bone. Just a very true orange. And of course, when I think of Halloween, I think of oranges, purples, greens, yellows, just bright colors in general. So we are going to pretty much apply this in stamping or pressing motions like this, and as you can see, that helps with the eyeshadow applying very evenly, and it won't leave like little patches or look like it's skipping. And I just got out of the shower, so my hair is pretty much wet. I added a lot of jojoba oil because my hair has been extremely dry. So I'm thinking I'm going to go brunette, because as much as I like a lighter color on my hair, it's just really affecting my hair. So yeah, I've been thinking if I go back to brunette as I did a few years ago, a couple years ago, I actually did that just to help my hair recuperate. I'm going to do that. And now I'm pretty much just blending the upper edges. Now I'm going to take this Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm pretty much going to take this color and this color and apply it to the crease. So I'm switching to a smaller brush. This one is by Morphe and the previous one was by MAC. Okay, so now I'm going with my previous shade or whatever's left on the brush, and I am just re-blending. Alright, so now I'm going to go a little bit deeper, and I'm going to take this shade over here, which is technically brown, but it has like a hint of orange, and that's just going to really help me deepen up the outer half of the eye. So we are just going to use this one smaller brush to apply the shade. I'm actually going to add a little bit of black just to really deepen it up a little bit more. I want this to be darker. Alright, so now I'm going to cut the crease on this side. Alright, so now I'm taking this small pencil brush, and with the orange shade that we first used, going over the top edge of the cut crease and kind of just like softening. I'm going to soften it up a little bit. Alright, so this is the Morphe 35B palette that I was talking about. I'm going to take this really pretty bright blue, and I'm going to apply it to the lid. Now I'm going to switch to a smaller detail brush and just cover up any parts that still need that blue eyeshadow. And now I'm just going to take the blending brush and pretty much blend this edge. where the blue meets the brownish color. So to the bottom lash line, I'm applying that orange first. And now I'm going to apply this shade to the bottom lash line, just going in halfway. Or actually, yeah, I'm going to take it all the way in. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is add the Neon UV eyeliner. So these are from Suva Beauty Cosmetics, and this one is Acid Trip, which is the bright orange, and I just thought it would be perfect for a Halloween look. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do, just as I did on this side. And let me just say that these are water activated, so you do need a little bit of water. And what I actually did was just poured a little bit of water onto the cap. What you have to do is add a very little. I remember when I first got them, I made the mistake of actually pouring a little bit of water into the actual product, and it just turned very watery. So you need the littlest bit of water, and then you mix it pretty much right here, and you get the perfect consistency. I'm just going to look up and begin. So you want to keep your hand steady and support it onto like a desk or something, your whatever table you're working on, because these can go wrong very quickly. Like that. Alright, so now I'm going to add my highlight that I have here onto the inner corner of the eye. And I used the Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Alright, so I guess the only thing left to tell you guys is I'm wearing Grunge by ColourPop Cosmetics. This is one of their lippy sticks, and yeah, it's really pretty. I love it. I just thought it would go well with this makeup look. So yeah, this is the final makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. Something a little bit different. Hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!